Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SaleHoo easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in SaleHoo's official website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button. The login button is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your information. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your SaleHoo dashboard. From here, you can access all features and tools available to you. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for errors. You can also clear your browser cache and try again. That's it. You are now successfully logged into SaleHoo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.